Come here, baby. What's out here?
Yeah. I know.
What's out here?
Oh my gosh, birthday boy. Balloon. Take pictures of them.
Did you get all the balloons?
Balloon.
Wow!
Look at them all.
Wow.
Look.
Can you kick all your balloons? Come here. Listen, you want to grab Kirsten? Tavish, where's your balloons?
Yay.
Whoa.
Happy birthday.
What's that?
Uh-oh.
Shovel? Well, actually, let's help Daddy show you what that is. You want Daddy to show you what that is? I think it's a racetrack. It's broken. Maybe Mommy will hold Kirsten and Daddy will show you.